Good morning and welcome to the first in a series of mini lessons that are going to go after the quiz that we just took. The first thing I would like to talk about is terms. Let's review what it means to be a term. So a term of an expression, actually let's back up the bus and talk about an expression. So an expression is an algebraic expression is something that has combination of variables, some sort of arithmetic that goes on, constants, but no equal sign. So x plus 4 plus 3x just is. It's not equal to anything, it's just an expression. It doesn't have to be solved, it doesn't have to be figured out, it just is. So in learning about what to do with these things, we talk about simplifying them, and that's when you start combining like terms. Well, in order to combine like terms, you have to know what a term is. So terms are any part of this expression separated by the actual arithmetic. So in the case of x plus 4 plus 3x, the terms are x, 4, and 3x. Okay, so they're separated by, let's just say for the sake of argument that they're separated by an addition. And I'll show you in a little second why that actually makes more sense. So these are the terms for x, 4, and 3x. Like terms are terms that are the same variable to the same power. So in the case of x and 3x, they're the same variable and they're to the same power. So when we say like terms, it would be x and 3x, and 4 would be a constant all by himself. Okay, so that's sort of a really quick definition. Let's look at a more complicated expression. So let's talk about 4a subtract 3 subtract 2a add 6. So that's our expression. Now, a couple seconds ago, I said that when you started to identify terms, they needed to be separated by addition. And here's why. That's what keeps track of whether or not the actual terms are positive and negative. So the first thing that you have to do, because a lot of you didn't do it on the quiz, is we're going to make it into an addition problem. 4a plus a negative 3 plus a negative 2a plus 6. So we found out where the subtraction was going on in our expression, and then we changed it to addition by adding the opposite. This step is going to help you identify whether your terms are positive or negative. So in this case, the terms are 4a, negative 3, see, that sign goes with that term, negative 2a, again, the sign goes with the term, and 6. Like terms would be 4a, negative 2a, again, the sign goes with the term, negative 3, and 6. So this is a list of terms, and this is a list of like terms. And that's terms. Okay, now that you understand what terms and like terms are, I want you to try these two expressions and then come show them to me when you finished. So 2x subtract 4x plus 3 subtract 6. And x squared plus 3x plus 4x squared subtract 9x. Okay, so take these two, find the terms, and then the like terms, and then come show me.